Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2017 Dodge Journey SXT all-wheel drive, stock number B9997P. 27,000 miles on this Journey, comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Granite Pearl in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You'll also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. This Journey Seat 7 with a cloth interior. Rear heat and air controls to make sure everyone's comfortable. In-floor storage with a removable bins for easy cleaning. Middle row seat folds flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats two. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. 50/50 split folding rear seat. Folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. This SXT has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, touchscreen display for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. 3-zone temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. Hard keys below. For climate, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. And lots of storage space in the armrest. Additional storage under the front passenger seat. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Journey has a 3.6-liter V6, 283 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.